Menteri rangba ka Jylla u Konrad ki sangma haka khatsan trik kelalingkon ulaong baka Sorkar Jylla kadang beteng ban budin bat ka Sorkar Pdeng na kabenta ban pyntreikam no ya ka inline permit ILP namar kani kan wenge ki babun ki jing bat plie lynti ya ka jingwan ka lynti rel harilum khasi bat jaintia haba jubab ya ka jingkeli halor kani kabenta u Konrad ulaong hoot kalong ka basisya bat ngidang iakren ya kani lada ka Meghalaya ka yo ya ka ILP kan la ban wenge ki jing ki bayade bat ka lynti rel bat day na kata ka daw ila menjur ya ka resolution halor ka ILP day tang ka Sorkar jongi ka ba menjur ya ka resolution hapo ka yingdor bar tawan bat kani ka de ka khubor ka baklan halor ka ni ka jingdawa ka bala ya buns na menta Nalor kata Menteri rangba upentip ba unisaya kendo ya Menteri katna railway ha New Delhi hakakat nyo trik kelalingkon banyak keren halor ka jingya jong ka jing terwa ya ka lentirel harilum khasi ka project lentirel harilum khasi kalaya kendo jing namar ka jing persang ka bajor na ki kunhun baper ka bakentup ki kunhun seng balang namar ka jing seir ya ka jingwan rong kertep ki mender ki babun na kini kila dawa na ka Sorkar baka day ban pyntreikam shwa ya ka ILP haswa banyak ren ni ki project lentirel hapo kathan halor kani kaman u Konrad ulaong ngilayay keren siya kila patay ko bor bat hakirinsan baper baka no kono karay ka bangin shim kan long haringkat ka jingkersan jong kipat ba kathan bat ka Jylla bat kiseng baper bat ngin persangkat bala ban pendat ya kini kiman bat tat hadien kata ngin sajam syakaman bat ka kam lentirel hakathan
I'm meeting the Honorable Railway Minister day after tomorrow, and as mentioned, we have faced challenges and concerns in certain parts of Khasi Hills in terms of the railway, and a lot of apprehensions are there. And we have reiterated in the press and in all forums that whatever decision we take, it will be with the confidence of the people of the region and the state and different organizations, and we will try our best to address those issues and only then move forward with the railway lines in the region. So in other parts of the state also, similarly, we will consult with the stakeholders, whether it's Jaintia Hills or whether it's Garo Hills. We will consult with stakeholders and only then we will move forward. But just identification of possible routes, that could benefit the state and the people and the overall economy. Possible identification of those routes are of course happening, but any kind of solid action on that or movement on that will only take place once we are incorporated discussion with the stakeholders and the people at large, and only then we'll move forward. But as a government, obviously we have discussed, we indicated like this is an area which we should examine, we should look at. And once the that kind of a roadmap is there in front of us, we will broaden the discussions and engage with people. Yes, very true. We have been in fact discussing about this, and that's the reason we passed a resolution also. We're the only government that has passed a resolution in the assembly, and this is a strong message to the entire demand that has been there that we need this. But of course, as I said, the mandate to give the ILP is not with the state government, it is with the central government. And hence, for us to say that it'll happen is difficult. We can keep pushing at government at India level, but it's not something that I can give an assurance for. But your point is valid, and that is the point that we have been talking to Government of India also, that if this one step is taken, it paves the way for many other kinds of issues to be resolved, and it should be considered, and that's the reason we passed the resolution also. So we are understanding that, but at the same time we have to also look at the impact on the economy as a whole and see all the issues that are there and find ways and means in which, even though this ILP may come up, and if Government of India grants us, we should ensure that it does not impact our tourist flow, does not impact our economy, and the common people whose livelihood depends on tourism today are not impacted in any negative manner.